Hey guys, now with all the barbecues you're making this summer, you can ditch the box cornbread because this Brazilian cornbread is so quick and easy to prepare, nobody will be able to resist. Add to your blender 3 eggs with a half a cup of oil, 3/4 cups of sugar is going in, and 1 cup of either yogurt, milk, or sour cream. It's really up to you what you prefer. Add it all in there. As for the corn to this cornbread, you're gonna need 2 cups of corn flour, not to be confused with cornmeal, which is typically used in the American version. If you guys are new here, welcome to my channel. I post new videos weekly. Be sure to subscribe so you won't miss out. Now I added a teaspoon of each baking soda and powder, making this quick bread nice and fluffy. Go ahead and blend everything together, being sure to scrape the sides of your blender if you need to, and make sure your oven is preheated before you even start because it's just that quick to make. Once it's all blended together, immediately turn off the blender and add all this yummy batter to your greased and floured loaf pan or an 8-inch cake circle, and it's gonna bake for 45 to 50 minutes. Slightly press the top, and once it's nice and firm, your lovely pão de milho is ready to enjoy. You guys know me, I slathered this in a honey butter. It's best eaten warm, straight out of the oven. This taste is so pleasant, like you're taking a bite out of a sweet corn. Try this recipe out the next time you're barbecuing a rack of ribs, and I'm telling you guys now, everybody is going to go crazy.